if I die today. Nah. If anything, the box truck might die today. Tuck and roll, motherfucker. If that car didn't stop, I would have went right through all this shit. And I never would have even got stuck, but those 3 cars had to be stopped on the fucking in the middle of the road when I got there. Scared of the fucking snow because they're fucking pussies. So that's what happens when you're a fucking pussy. Fucking scared of fucking snow. It's kind of fun when you don't stop, you actually have a little bit of traction. So when you stop, you're fucked. Getting going again, that's the hard part. Fucking idiots. Especially uphill, you don't ever fucking stop unless it stops you for you, basically. Oh, that was a rush. And the truck was sideways for a little bit. That was fucking sick.